To perform a bulk auto detection on Redactor version 5, first make sure your videos and images are uploaded to the home screen. Then we're going to press multi-select. We're going to select all the images and videos we wish to auto detect and press auto detect. We're going to select the objects we wish to have automatically detected, in this case faces and license plates. We're going to select our detection profile and press submit. Redactor will step through the videos frame by frame, identifying the faces and license plates to be redacted. When the videos are complete, you'll get a gray indicator indicating the items that we've detected. At that point, you can go one by one into the editor and make any of your manual adjustments before exporting.